Feedback to our students is more important than ever in these difficult times when we don't see our students every day. It's important to give students positive feedback throughout the year, whether you're on Zoom or face-to-face. This is an easy way on how to remember to give what I call flash feedback, quick responses in real time that will help engage and encourage your learners. 1. Always be specific. It's not enough to say good job. Tell the student what they did well. 2. If it's positive feedback, use the class forum to praise the student. That way, not only are you engaging the one student and boosting their confidence by giving them positive feedback, but you're also engaging the other students and encouraging them to answer next time. Finally, if the feedback is not positive, it should be done one-on-one. Always thank the student for their contribution, explain what needs to be changed or made better, and allow for improvement. Good luck.